value in every second. That's what we focus on when we create our courses. And of course, it means there are many practical exercises inside them. That's why we've created several resources that will help you get all the benefits from the course. You will find in the next lecture the links, but now let's discover what they are and how to deal with them. Table of links to valuable resources. This is a Google Sheets table with links to the resources mentioned throughout the course. With this table, you will always be able to find information about new and noteworthy resources we discuss in the course. We are constantly going to add new resources as they appear and become known to us. At the end of every section during the course, you will be invited to follow these special action steps to apply all the information you received in practice. We have two types of tables. The first, called Action Steps Filled, has real-world data that we will collect and analyze with you during the course to demonstrate how to do market research properly. As we've mentioned before, the whole market research formula consists of 8 topics that are covered in 6 mini courses. In the exercise files, each tab is dedicated to a specific topic in the system. All 6 courses contain access to the whole exercise file with all the tabs in it. So, you might use data from all the spreadsheets, but do your action steps on one that is dedicated to each particular course. The second link is called Action Steps Empty, which is a spreadsheet you need to fill out by doing your Action Steps homework. If you open the table, you will not be able to work with it, because first of all, you need to copy it to your own Google Drive, and then you will be able to fill it out. To copy it, you need to go to Menu, File, and choose Make a Copy. Give it whatever name you want and choose a folder for the table. Don't forget where you have saved it, because you will need it soon on the course. We have some additional resources for you in the last section of our course. In that section, there is a survey for you to share with us what you like in our course and what could be done better. We care about the learning experience of our students, and we try constantly to improve the quality. Through the survey, you will be able to tell us what you would like to learn in other courses. This course is only one in a series of courses about the mobile app business. So you have a chance to participate in the creation of the next one through the survey or the comments posted here in the teaching platform. We hope you enjoy the course. Let's get started.